Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to another video on ForgottenWeapons.com. I'm Ian McCollum, and courtesy of the Morphy Auction House up in Pennsylvania, I am out at the range today with a Marlin United Defense M42, sometimes called an Avenger. These are submachine guns that they weren't really adopted by the US military because they were in 9mm parabellum, but that made them excellent for dropping into Nazi-occupied Europe, and they did that. So, I actually have a previous video out there on the history and the mechanics of this gun that I filmed with one that was actually dropped to the Dutch resistance. But I didn't have a chance to shoot that one, and I do have a chance to shoot this one. So, I know it's a fast-firing gun. Let's see what it looks like. That is a fast-firing gun. Kind of like it. So there are some interesting characteristics that the UD-42 has. It's got a vertical grip in the front, but a traditional style grip in the back, which is a little bit unusual, but okay, that works. Now, that high rate of fire is kind of fun. The problem is we're a little bit hindered by having only 20-round mags. Now, Marlin recognized that, and so they came up with a solution. They manufactured double magazines. It's two standard 20-round mags, but the front faces of the mags have been either welded or brazed together. So you got 40 rounds now. Now, there are some downsides to this. First off, it's not actually a 40-round mag. You do have to change it to get the other 20. And secondly, if you have it loaded and you go prone into the ground, you're going to stuff the feed lips of your second magazine full of dirt. That's not a good thing. But let's give this a try. Haha! Got one! Now. Well, the Marlin UD-42 is one of those cool submachine guns that doesn't get a whole lot of love, doesn't get a whole lot of recognition because it wasn't an American military gun. To my mind, what it really was something almost cooler than that. And that is a gun that was used primarily by the resistance forces in occupied Europe during World War II. That's pretty awesome. So, this particular one has made its way back to the United States, and it's coming up for sale in the October Morphy's Extraordinary Firearms Auction, along with a whole bunch of other machine guns. So, you can check them out on their catalog, see all their pictures and description. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. I know I did. Thanks for watching.